Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Today we are going to take a detailed look at the Bayou F160 dual monitor desktop mount. There are lots of great review videos on this dual monitor ARM desktop mount already. So I'll cover topics that are not covered in other videos and show some of the close-up shots, so you can see how good the build quality is if you decide to get yourself one. I bought this F160 dual monitor arm for 77 Australian dollars when it was on offer. It's currently retail for 109 Australian dollar. Even at the price of 109, I find it still very reasonable for what we are getting. It has a built-in gas strut design with adjustable tension to aid in lifting the monitor effortlessly. It has integrated cable management, a solid build quality, and most of all, a fairly sturdy table clamp mount. This mount may not be the strongest desktop clamp on the market, but I haven't had any issue with the stability over the last 6 months of using this monitor arm. This is how it looks when I mount my Samsung monitor on this Bayou F160 monitor mount. Like all monitor arms, we will get a slight wobble of the monitors when we shake the table. My table is only a basic IKEA table with 4 legs, not a very solid sturdy table. This monitor arm did quite a good job without wobbling much when I'm typing. Okay, let's take a look at the setup of the monitor arm. This is the cable management cover on the forearm. It has 2 plastic clips that snaps on to the metal core of the forearm, and the top part is fastened by only one single screw. I like these plastic clips. When we sit the cable in the cover, we just need to snap the plastic clip in. The plastic clip will then temporarily hold the cable in place while we tighten the top screw to secure the cover. It's very convenient. And then the cable will just run along the 2 sides of this cover. And this is the cable management of the lower arm. The bottom part of this plastic cover is inserted into the base, and the top part is tightened, once again with only one screw. The cables are meant to enter and exit through the 2 holes by the side. There are actually 4 holes, with a pair on each side. And this cable management clip is fitted at the back of the table clamp. The cables can run through these 2 slots. To install, we simply snap this plastic clip onto the metal clamp fixture. I didn't use this cover because my cables are already hidden by the time it reaches this part of the monitor arm at the back of my table. Now overall, the cable management parts functions really well and are quite easy to install. This is how neat and clean I can get with the cable management. No visible cables at all. Lastly, I want to show you the mounting clamp. If the screws heads looks like they are going to scratch the tabletop, don't worry, the video is actually not doing it justice. The 4 rubber studs are lower than the screws, so the screws doesn't really touch the tabletop at all. The parts that clamp onto the table have nice and thick rubber materials. This F160 dual monitor arms comes with 2 clamps, which is why it offers such good stability. And this is how it looks when it's mounted on the edge of the table. Really nice and compact. This Bayou F160 is a solid pair of dual monitor arms. It makes my small, humble desktop table look so neat and tidy. If you are after a good gas strut monitor arm desktop mount, I highly recommend this Bayou F160. monitor desktop mount. If you like stories of my tech gear videos, remember to click that subscribe button. This will help me grow my channel. Thanks a lot for your help. I'm also publishing another video soon, discussing the pros and cons of using a monitor arm. If you are interested to see more of my desk setup ideas, let me know in the comments down below, and I can do a desk tour video. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Now look after yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.